Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today we're going to be talking about some common damages that you might think are roofing related, but they aren't. Let's get started. Some common sources of leaks inside your home that appear to be roof related that aren't could be leaks around your chimneys, leaks around a dormer, leaks around windows that are above a roof line that are actually not roof related. The way we can always tell if it's the chimney flashing or a roof dormer leaking is we spray the roof and the wall of the chimney or the dormer to see if we can make it leak. We call that a water test. Leaks on a chimney that are not associated with the roof should be fixed by a certified chimney sweep. If you want advice on how you can maintain your roof and check for common problems that are roof related, then click on the link below or at the end of this video on 6 ways to maintain your roof. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the education that they need to make that large purchasing decision. We'll see you on the next one.